Samantala sa pagbisita ni Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, tinalaki nila ni Pangulong Aquino ang usapin hinggil sa issue ng territorial dispute sa pagitan ng China. Umasa ang Prime Minister na mariresolba ang issue sa maayos na paraan at asahan umano ang kanilang suporta sa bansa hinggil dito. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami, Rocky Ignacio.
Muling pinatatag ng Pilipinas at Japan ang kooperasyon sa larangan ng trade, investment at regional security. Dumating sa bansa si Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe para sa dalawang opisyal na pagbisita. Sa kanilang pulong ni Pangulo Aquino, nagkasundo ang dalawang leader na patatagin ng regional security sa pamamagitan ng responsableng solusyon sa usapin ng territorial dispute sa West Philippine Sea.
The discussions the Prime Minister and I had today reflect our dedication to actively pursue strategies for growth and positive engagement. We reviewed the security challenges that confront our nations and pledged to cooperate in advancing our common advocacy for responsible action from international players. We believe that this can be done by upholding the rule of law in international affairs and by finding just and peaceful solutions to our territorial disputes and maritime concerns so that we may create a secure and stable environment that leads to our collective progress.
Dahil dito, kinilala ng Pangulo at Prime Minister Abe ang pagpapalakas ng maritime cooperation ng dalawang bansa.
In line with this, the Prime Minister and I agreed to strengthen maritime cooperation, which is a pillar of our strategic partnership. We thank the Japanese government for helping enhance the capacity of the Philippine Coast Guard by building multi-role response vessels and by providing communication systems for their use.
Formal na rin ipinabot ng Pangulo sa leader ng Japan ang patuloy ang suporta sa peace and development sa Mindanao. Nauna na rin kinilala ng pamahalaan ng Japan na framework agreement ng Philippine government sa MILF. Ang Japan ay kabilang sa International Contact Group na tumulong para bigyan daan ang peace process sa MILF.
I thank the Prime Minister and the people of Japan for their continuous support of the peace process in Mindanao. The Japan Bangsamoro Initiative for Reconstruction and Development, or JBIRD, is vital to the socio-economic development of the Bangsamoro. The new initiatives of the program, which include community and human resource development, will help my countrymen in the Bangsamoro rebuild their communities and become even more productive citizens of the Philippines. For this, Your Excellency, you have the sincerest gratitude of the Filipino people.
As a result of the upper house elections, my government's policies were able to obtain the trust and confidence from the Japanese people. And against this backdrop, I intend to further proceed with strategic diplomacy which would contribute to regional and global peace and prosperity going forward. And I intend to attach particular importance to our relationship with the ASEAN, and I have these thoughts to President Aquino.
Top trading partner ng Pilipinas ang Japan na siya rin nagbibigay ng mataas ang patuloy ang Official Development Assistance o ODA.
We also agreed to strengthen our bilateral policy dialogues and to continue our high-level visits and people-to-people exchanges. We welcome the Japanese government's decision to encourage more Filipino tourists to visit Japan by allowing multiple entry visas and the expansion of the Japan East Asia Network of Exchange for Students and Youth, or Genesis program, which will provide our respective students a unique opportunity to cultivate friendships and deepen their...
Katulad ng Pilipinas, sumasailalim rin sa reformang pang-ekonomiya ang Japan.
On the economic front, I congratulated the Prime Minister for the economic gains that Japan enjoys at present. This revival is the result of the Japanese government's resolve to efficiently and prudently manage the economy by improving productivity and increasing the participation of citizens, particularly women in the labor force. This growth is a positive sign for the global economy and for the Filipino people.
Bukod sa pagpapalakas na rin sa larangan ng infrastruktura, tinututukan na rin ng dalawang lider ang pagtugon sa panahon ng kalamidad at sakuna. Ang Pilipinas ay kabilang sa nagpaabot ng assistance sa tumama ang killer quake sa Japan taong 20. Marami rin Pilipino ang nakatira at nagtatrabaho sa Japan.
I thank Prime Minister Abe for Japan's commitment to Philippine development and for extending assistance in critical areas such as infrastructure development, transportation, connectivity, and disaster preparedness and response. I welcome the technical assistance provided by the Japan International Cooperation Agency in developing a transport roadmap study for Metro Manila and its surrounding areas. I also expressed appreciation for Japan's positive response to our request for a post-disaster standby loan through the Standby Emergency Credit for Urgent Recovery. I also thank the Prime Minister for the positive indication from his government with respect to improvements in the Philippines' aviation safety standards. We look forward to productive discussions for our air services.
Ang Japan ang isa sa mga unang binisita ni Pangulong Aquino na maupo sa pwesto. Taong 2006 naman ang unang pagdalaw sa bansa ni Abe sa kanyang unang termino bilang pinuno ng Japanese government.
Finally, as I have told the Prime Minister, I look forward to the commemorative summit in Tokyo in December as we mark the 40th year of ASEAN-Japan friendship and cooperation. The relationship between Japan and ASEAN serves as a cornerstone of harmony and dialogue in our part of the world. Your Excellency, your presence today our shared commitment to deepen our relations, foster cooperation, and more importantly, build a more peaceful and more secure Asia-Pacific region. It is by treading that path to progress and peace that we can bring about meaningful change for our peoples.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.